Aircom goes back to the 60s, but as we know it today, I would take it back to about the early 90s, and the business was involved in specialty welding services, and it was kind of getting into the energy industry. So through the 90s, the company morphed its way into temperature sensor manufacturing, and then it continued on into product distribution. And specialty welding has always remained a core of the business. So here we are today, and we manufacture instrumentation, we distribute products, and then we also offer this specialty welding service. So what makes Aircom truly different is the type of people we have working here. We take pride in the way we hire people. We spend time making sure we can find the right people for the right roles here at Aircom. And that's the key #1 thing we do. Western Canada has a lot of natural resources, and we can serve any sort of industrial process application where they need to refine these natural resources into usable products for the consumers. We reach primarily here in Western Canada, but our products end up all around the world through our different partners and through different channels of getting there. SAP Business One changed our company literally overnight, and the biggest change it did is it brought in all the departments together under one software platform. Another thing that it brought to us was the efficiency of the system. When we decided it was time to look for an ERP system, we started to look at systems, and part of our decision process, we actually started to look at the partners that are implementing these systems. We linked up with the guys at ProjectLine Solutions, and we can work with these guys. They understand our business, we understand their business, and together we can do what we need to do with this product. So at Aircom, we're very confident in our growth over the next few years and beyond. We're a growing company, we always have been, and in order to maintain that edge we continue to have, we got to keep doing the right things, like hiring the right people and using software like SAP Business One.